Hi there. I'm Debbie from JudgeService, and today I'm going to show you how to use our ProAct investment calculator, a simple and powerful way to estimate how our lost leads service could deliver return on investment for your dealership. Let's walk through a sample scenario together so you can see how easy it is. Step 1. Enter the number of locations you operate. Step 2. Enter the total logged lost leads you had last month across those locations. Step 3. Input your average chassis profit per vehicle sale. Step 4. Enter the average F&I income you make per sale. At this point, the tool will calculate for you the estimated number of survey completions and how many of those are still in the market. Step 5. Enter your estimated closing ratio as a percentage for those still in the market leads. Once that's entered, you'll get immediate results. How many additional deals you could win, what extra profit that equals, your investment cost, and your projected ROI. Now let's interpret the output. The deals number tells you how many additional deals we estimate you could make by re-engaging those lost leads. The profit number shows the incremental profit from those deals, combining chassis profit plus F&I income. The investment figure is what you would spend with us to make this happen. And finally, the ROI shows how much return you're earning for each pound invested.